Hi everyone, good morning. CJ here, and for today's video I will show you on how you can install PUBG on your Huawei device. So what I'm using is the Huawei MatePad Pro, and this will also work on another Huawei device and most likely with any Android device that you have. So I've actually read all the comments that was posted on my previous videos, and you guys said that the music is overpowering my voice. So for this video, I won't be adding any background um, music, though I really like the music that I put on my videos. So this is how I start my day. Most of the time, I go get a glass and grab a hot water and apple cider on it, or sometimes I do tea. I've already showed you that the application works on this device. So what we will do next is to delete the one that I have on this Huawei MatePad Pro. So there I have uninstalled PUBG on this device. So let's go now to the app gallery. Right, so there's an update. Let's just update it first. Right now there's a lot of updates that's being done on Huawei, also in Google. So let's search PUBG. So when you do search PUBG, you won't be able to install PUBG on Huawei app gallery, but you can actually install it through Petal Search. So let's hit on that, and as you can see here, I have here an APK Pure, an APK from APK Pure that we can download. So let's go ahead and download that. You need to wait for the file to be downloaded, of course. And then once it's downloaded, you need to hit on continue. There will always be a warning, hit on continue, and then install the file or the APK and just wait for it to finish. There are some devices which doesn't have Petal Search. So if you don't have Petal Search, just go to your browser and search on PUBG Mobile. Okay, so it's already installed, as you can see here, and you just need to set up your account. So PUBG is a survival game, and there's a lot of missions which you can do. You can also play this one with friends and with family. So I hope this install instructions help you out. Let me know on the comment section if you do. And for the person who requested for this video, hope it helps. And as always, please don't forget to like the video if it helped you out. Comments for any video suggestions, and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye.